exercise is going to be a little bit different. This is the Independent Challenge 4 found on page PowerPoint 95. Now there will not be a PowerPoint presentation for you to download. You're going to create this on your own. And what you're going to do is you're going to plan it out. Write out what you want to view on the presentation about veteran services provided by Cecil College. So you'll have to go to the college's website. Go to cecil.edu. Once you land on the college webpage, click on Student Services. Under Student Services on this third column, you should see a link called Veteran Resources. When you click on that, you will see a host of information that you can use to create the slides in the presentation that you're going to create. There is one image here, but I would like you to at least go out on the internet and find one more that would be suitable for veterans. This presentation will have to have at least 6 slides. You're going to apply a design theme. You're going to add one or more photographs to the presentation, which means you're going to have to add a layout that has at least one content to it. Then you're going to save it. You're going to add slide transition and the animation effects. Now on slide 5 it says to translate the last line of text. Now that I will show you how to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert a new slide, and I'm going to have it title and content. And I'm just going to type a phrase right here. Translate the last line into Greek. Alright, so that's just a phrase, and I want that phrase translated into Greek. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that sentence. Once you have it highlighted, I'm going to go to the Review tab. Click on Translate, and I want to translate the selected text. Just go ahead and say yes, I want to proceed. Now, you want to translate it into what? Drop down the arrow. If it doesn't say Greek, drop down the arrow and you're going to find Greek. And once you have that, this right here, I want you to copy this. This is how it's been translated. So just right-click, copy, and I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to turn off the bullet just because I don't want to see it. And I'm going to say translated into Greek, and then I'm going to paste it. Remember, you can right click and paste, or Control V will paste. And so that's how you will satisfy that one step about turning that last sentence into Greek. Then on step J, it says make an Office Mix of this presentation and then upload it to the Office Mix website. You do not have to do that. However, the second part of that is to include information you're recording on at least 2 slides and use a pen to make ink annotations. To do that, just go into Slideshow View. Once you're in View, you have an ink pen that you can write, or I can right-click and go to pointer options, and here's an ink pen. You can select the color that you want. So red is selected. I'm going to say pen, and I'm just going to circle this. So this is one way to have annotations, all right, using Greek. So now I'm at the end of my presentation, end of slideshow, and it's going to ask me, do you want to keep your ink annotations? Keep them. Do not discard them. So you're going to keep them, and you can see it here. I want you to save your presentation with those annotations and then upload to the assignment link.